So here, so I can get, so that will be FBE sine 45, which is equal to 40 plus 56.56 sine 45. So here this is minus, so that will be 56.56 sine 45 plus of 40, so that I am getting 70, so that will be 80. So I can say FBE what I am getting, so that will be divided by sine 45, so that will be 113.12 kilonewton. So here I am getting a negative value, so here this is supposed to reverse the direction. So that will be, so here how can you reverse the direction? So here substitute the FB value in summation of H equation, so that will be, so what we have done, so that will be summation of H, which is equal to 0. So in that equation we have minus of FBA and again plus of 56.56 into cos 45 minus of FBE into cos 45, which is equal to 0. Your FBA, which is equal to, so 56.56 cos 45 and again, so minus, so that will be equal to minus of 56.56 and minus of FBE. So here FBE cos 45, which is equal to 0, so that what you will get, minus 56.56 cos 45 and again minus of 113.12 into cos 45, which is equal to 0. So your FBA, which is equal to 56.56 into cos 45 plus of 113.12 cos 45, so that what you are getting, 120 FPA, which will be 120 kilonewton. So minus of minus and all things, so we will get a positive here. So whatever the direction we have assumed, so that will be correct. So now we got all the forces, so that will be, I got, so here I got FCB I got, and again I got FCD I got, similarly FDE I got, similarly I got FEB I got, and similarly FBA also I got. The next one, we should have to tabulate the member forces. So how will you tabulate the member forces? So here, while tabulation, we should have to keep remember, so what are all the members we have, and similarly what is the magnitude, and similarly what is the nature of the force. So here the first one here will be, we'll start with the members. What are all the members we have, and similarly what is its magnitude, and similarly what is its nature. What is the nature? Nature means it is a compression or tension. So we have member AB, similarly we have member BC, similarly we have CD, similarly we have DE, and similarly BE, and similarly BD. Right? The next one, so what is the value of the member AB? 120. This is magnitude in terms of kilonewton, right? 120. Next one, 56.56. CD will be 40 I got, DE I got 40, similarly BE I got 113.12 I got, BD I got 40. So here we'll draw the figure of this one. So here ultimately we supposed to show it in terms of the nature of force diagram. So here, so this is 40 kilonewton, so this is also 40 kilonewton. So here the member force here This is what it looks like, right? So here, so let us take the member CB. So this member CB, so this one, it is subjected to a 56.56, it is in tension. So when you will say it is tension, so here if you look at this, from this end it is moving like this, so it is moving away from the joint. So this is also moving away from the joint, so I can say this is in tension. So what is the magnitude? 56.56. so FBC, so I can say it as tension, so I can represent it as T, right? And the next one will be, so here, so we'll write F A B C D and E, and again FDC. So what is the value of FDC or CD? 40 kilonewton. How it is acting? FCD, which is acting a compression. So when you will say it is a compression? When the forces which were moving towards the joint. If you look at the member force value, so in the previous case, so in a joint C, so in joint C we see FCD, initially we have assumed it is away from the joint, so I got the reverse direction, so this is moving towards the joint. So here if you look at this, so this is moving towards the joint, so I can say it is in compression. So that will be, this will be 40 kilonewton, so that will be moving towards the joint, so that will be compression. So I can say, so this will be in compression. And again, how about FDE? So take about the joint D. So here, so F, which one we have? FDE. FDE. So how you are getting FDE? So FDE again, which is moving towards the joint, so that will be in compression. So this will be moving towards the joint here, moving towards the joint. So this is 40, so this will be in compression. So I can say, so this will be in compression. And again FBE I have. So how your FBE? So initially we are assumed it is moving away from the joint, but it is moving towards the joint. So how much it would be? 113.12. So this is in tension. So here you can write it as tension T. And again FBD, it is moving towards the joint, and again I can say it as what? So here this is like this, and again this is like this. This is moving away from the joint, so this is also moving away from the joint. So this is 40, so here you can write it as tension. So here this is what I got, a tension force. And again FBEAB, what we got? We assumed it is moving away from the joint, so what is the value you got? So this is moving away from the joint, 120 kilonewton, so I can write it as tension. So this is what about your end answer. So that will be, so once we start proceeding the problem, how we have done this problem. So initially, so I will summarize this problem, how to proceed with this. So this kind of problem. So what we have done, so initially how we have proceeded. So this is the truss what we have. This truss is subjected to 40 kilonewton here, 40 kilonewton at the joint D. Each span is of 3 meter, and here has not mentioned anything regarding the inclination, so you can take it as theta. So find out by using your trigonometry, find out what is the theta you will get. So here, so what I got initially, I got the theta value which will be 45 degree, so that will be 45. So again I have chosen a joint in such a way that it should have least unknown components. So here in joints I got the least unknown components will be 2. So here this is one unknown least component and this is one more unknown least component, right? So draw the FBD at the joint C and again draw the quadrant. So substitute the forces in quadrant and apply the equations of equilibrium. Once you apply the equations of equilibrium, so that what you will get, FCB I got 56 point. So here I got 56.56 kilonewton what I got. So substitute into back to H equal to 0, so that will be 40 kilonewton I got. So what I got? A negative value. So this negative indicates whatever the direction you have assumed here, so that will be wrong. So what you have to do, you should have to reverse this direction. Instead of in this end, you should have to reverse the direction like this. So here I have reversed the direction, so that will be 40 kilonewton. The next one will be, go for the next one will be joint D. If you look at the joint T, so here, so I have 40 kilonewton. So this 40 kilonewton which is moving towards the joint, this is what the reverse direction from the previous case, and again FD I am assuming away from the joint. So substitute in quadrant, so apply the equations of equilibrium, you will get FDB which is equal to 40, your assumed direction is correct. And again next one will be FDE, so that will be minus 40, we supposed to reverse the direction. Instead of this direction you supposed to reverse the direction, so that will be moving towards the joint. So that I have got 40 moving towards the joint. And the next I have moved to joint B. In the joint B I have two unknown components, FBA and FPE. So in FBA and FBE I have assumed the forces which are moving away from the joint. So take the forces which were moving away from the joint, substitute in quadrants. So once you substitute in quadrants, you apply the equations of equilibrium. So here FBE you are getting minus 113.12. So here in FBE I have assumed it is away from the joint, so I got negative value. So here in this end I have got the negative value. Reverse the direction, instead of in this direction you are supposed to reverse this direction, so that will be, it is moving towards the joint. And again the next one we have here, substitute in summation of H, so that equal to 0. So FBA I got 120 kilonewton. So once you got, I have got all the unknown components or the member forces. Once you got the member forces, what you supposed to do, you supposed to draw the chart like this, and supposed to show what is the nature of the force, what is the magnitude, and what is the member. My member AB is subjected to 120 kilonewton in tension. Nature of the force will be tension. BC is subjected to 56.56. Nature will be tension. CD will be 40, it is compression. DE will be 40, it is compression. BE will be in 113.12 kilonewton in tension. BD will be 40 kilonewton in terms of tension. So here I have shown the values here. Clear? So in this way you are supposed to draw the diagram. This is the force representation diagram for your given truss. Clear? Okay, the next one we will solve one more problem, right? The second problem. Okay.